Shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case if you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I film videos from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about various lace types. Show you various lace types. So just in case you're new to wearing wigs or you're new to selling hair extensions, this video can be the perfect guide that you need in deciding what lace types you should be looking for. This closure right here is a transparent lace closure. This is a transparent lace closure. This closure right here is an HT lace closure. This closure right here is a Swiss lace closure in medium brown. Whereas this frontal right here is also a Swiss lace. It's made with Swiss lace and it has a sort of dusty brown undertone to it. I don't really like the undertone. In fact, the greenish undertone to it. I prefer the undertones of this lace compared to this. This one stands out more, unlike this one. So you just get to see that various lace types, the undertones of the lace differ. Though these two laces are Swiss lace, but the undertones both of them have are different. This one looks a bit greenish, unlike this one that has more of a yellowish to brown undertone to it. Wow, this other lace here has more of a yellowish brown undertone to it. Yeah. So you see that the various lace types differs, the colors of the lace differs. So if you are somebody who is new to wearing wigs, so which lace types do you think I would recommend for you to purchase for your business? If you're someone who likes that very natural, realistic look, I recommend either you go for the HG lace or the transparent lace. Though these two laces are more on the expensive side, especially the HG lace. The HG lace is more expensive than any other lace you could find in the market. Whereas the Swiss lace, this one right here, is more affordable. And the beauty of the Swiss lace is that, especially when you get it in a color that matches your skin, if you want to buy your Swiss lace, try as much as possible to make sure you buy one that has this type of medium brown shade and it doesn't have a greenish undertone to it. Like the undertones of this lace will blend really well with your skin tone if you're somebody who is of African descent. If you're even of a lighter complexion, all you just need to do is just bleach the knots on the lace and apply, maybe you can tint the lace with your skin shade, or with your, just apply your foundation on the lace and it will blend really well into your skin. Depending on your budget actually, whichever one you can afford, because really since the pandemic occurred in 2020, the prices of lace closures and frontals has gone up and it hasn't come back down. So it all depends on your budget. If you're looking for something more affordable, go for the Swiss lace. If you want something that is the most realistic, like you want that extra look, you don't want your wig to look like it's a wig, just simply buy HT lace. Though take note, the HT lace is fragile, so you need to be very careful when you are using HT lace. If you overstretch your wig, you can literally rip your lace apart. And if you're not careful when you're trying to make a part on the HT lace, you can tear the lace. Though there are various qualities of the nets on the HT lace. Some nets, some of the laces are more prone to tearing, while some of them are higher quality, so it's not prone to tearing. Like this particular HT lace is higher quality, so it's not going to tear easily, but you still have to be very careful with your HT lace. And the beauty of the transparent laces is equally as affordable as the Swiss lace is. Though the issue with the transparent lace is that it's not all hair vendors that typically have the transparent lace. So you need to look for a hair vendor that sells transparent lace and also sells a Swiss lace. If you're looking for a vendor for your HT lace and Swiss HT lace and transparent lace, I have hair vendors for HT lace and Swiss lace available on my website. If you feel like you want to buy a hair vendors for getting HD lace and Swiss lace, please go ahead and do that. Though take note, the quality of the hair on this lace is differ. Like for this particular hair right here, that is a Swiss lace, you can see that the quality of the hair on this one is really nice. This one here is a bone, it's a raw bone straight hair on this particular Swiss lace, and the quality of the hair on these other ones right here are just virgin body wave hair, and this other one is also a virgin body wave hair. So the quality, and these ones are unprocessed. This one was processed. That's the reason why it has a bit of a shine to it. So you just need to know what quality of hair you want to buy. Are you buying closures that the hair or the closure was processed, or are you buying unprocessed closures that you can still color to anyone, any color, in any part, any given color you want to achieve? Whereas for this one that has been processed to make it shiny and sleeky straight, it's not really recommended for you to color it. Though you could do, if I want to color it, I will still color it, even if it's not recommended that you do that because the hair is processed. So just take note that as much as there are various types of laces in the market, the quality of the hair on the lace also differs. Take note of that when you're ordering lace closures, and when you're ordering your laces. You want to know the quality of the hair on the lace, and you also want to know what color and what type of lace was used. If it's a HD lace, if it's a Swiss lace, if it's a transparent lace. If it's a Swiss lace, is it a medium brown, is it a light a brown with greenish undertones to it, is it a yellowish brown? You want to know, is it a dark brown? You want to know the exact color, the undertones of the lace, just to ensure that it matches your client's skin, your ideal client's skin. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button, share with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. Adios.